Hey, don't be scary. Careful, careful, careful. The word I find myself saying the most. Ryan! 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 Hey, Nicholas, settle down for a second. Ryan.
What is that? What is that, Mommy?
The TV?
No, on here. What is that green water?
The swamp.
And why was there a mad thing in there?
I don't know.
What is that?
Ryan's chasing me. Ryan's chasing me.
You lost. It was a mad thing in the water.
Okay, Nicholas, I'm trying to make a video of Ryan. Cow's kind of in your way, huh? Look at you, big boy.
Junk is garbage that's metal.
Is that right? Hi.